Oh boy, it's Steve Mannenbach back with Get MIB, the men in branding. Get marketing, influencing, and branding. We do mortgage leads, hard money leads, and private money leads, but especially mortgage leads, and we generate a lot of them. There's my cool logo, all the different variations. Anyways, let's shrink that down. Let's take a look at this. What does that say? GetMIB.com, where to buy mortgage leads for $9 to $11 each. Cash out refinance leads are hot, and they are on fire right now. Literally on fire. Sometimes I even like to take stacks and throw it up in my videos to help drum up interest. That stuff actually does work, by the way. But anyways, let's go ahead and just hop right into it. Let's show the results, right? Nothing better than showing results. People always like, well, is it still the same? Yes, it's still the same. It's not like it ever changes, not for me at least. So here is one of my main clients' campaigns. Consistently, it took me about a month to get him down from like 20 bucks a lead down to like 10 bucks a lead, 10 to 11, somewhere right in there. But I mean, now it's just like I have this campaign rolling. These are all VA leads. You can see kind of the states. I'm using special ad audiences, some special stuff I've done there. So without that, you won't be able to recreate this. You got to hire me, but you can see it's real. It's late, 2:47, but for yesterday, about 11 bucks a pop on this one, right, for Breton's branch. And then let's just go ahead and also pull over the lead sheet. Okay. So what do we got here? All right. So, I mean, I can kind of like twist this to make it, there are more home buyers in here than I would like, and I probably will change this actually to get it more focused on refinances because they're just faster. But you can look right here. I mean, 20 leads on the 8th, right? Nothing is changing. I get about 20 leads, VA leads every single day. Look, and a decent chunk are cash out. I actually played with this before. Where is it? Oh yeah. So I definitely figured out the cash out, the way to get more cash outs, right? See this little streak right here? That's because I made some targeting changes, and so I am going to roll that out for him in the near future. But anyways, that's the money team, the money group at Geneva Financial are one of the top branches always there, and I love working with them. Anyways, let's go on to another branch at Geneva Financial. I just started this one up, so it's not quite fully popping yet, but this looks good. I'm going to have to throw up a few more ads, do a little more split testing. It can take a few weeks to really get it dialed in, but once you spend those initial few weeks getting the ad campaign dialed in, after that, man, it just hits. But this is for Richard Trojanek here in Arizona with his branch also at Geneva Financial. So I definitely want to do a good job for him. Let's go ahead and look at some of the leads he's been getting, okay? So like I said, I just started this up, so there's not a lot yet. But the good news is I'm running a cash out ad, and look at that. They're all cash outs coming through. No home buyers, all cash outs except for one, and even that guy wants a lower payment with cash out, right? These are what you really want. That's a little low. Obviously, I need to fix that, but that's not a big deal. I just have to upload a different list that has higher home values, right? If you upload lists of borrowers with higher home values when you're creating custom ad audiences and special ad audiences, that will allow you to target a higher echelon of borrower, right? That has higher credit scores and will need a higher loan amount. So pretty easy there. You can do the same thing with jumbo loans. Like if I upload a big jumbo list for any type of jumbo lead, that will do the trick. Okay, so I believe that's good for that. Just wanted to show a different campaign. And now let's look at this other one. Not proud about the cost yet, but I am using some pretty good lists on this one. I believe I'm using some of my lists with like high credit scores, and which is why the lead quality looks really good. Yeah, see 300K and up home values. This list I've had a while. It's high credit. Yep. Yeah, so that's why these are a little bit more expensive, is because I'm using very high quality borrowers to target new leads. California's a little expensive too anyways, but check this out. Let's show you what's coming through. I guarantee there's some big ones in here, like huge. I know because I used to take all of these. Look at, they're all these ones from California. Look at, they're all like Cash Out. Like, I want to just tear this up. There's 22 leads here. I would guess there's at least 4 applications in here. I mean, because they all want Cash Out. Cash Out is just a much higher probability they're going to do the app and stick with you to the end. They need the cash for something. Home improvements, paying off high interest debt. You know, they got themselves in a bind, medical bills, something they're going to need it for. Kids' education, right? And I mean, these are good loan amounts. These are really good. I'm pretty happy with this. A couple more little tweaks to this campaign, and this one will be rocking. I think I can still get this one down to 10 to 15 to lead. If I can do that and keep it, because California is normally pretty hard to get, and I'm just freaking nailing it. I thought it was going to be too hard, actually, but it looks good. So that's that one. Any other ones? Let's see hard money bankers really quick. I haven't looked at that one in a minute. Let's see what we got like yesterday on that one. 4, meh. Last 7 days, 37, about $10 a lead. That's only in 3 states for hard money. Hard money leads, right? Just a quick little view of that ad. There you go. Rates close in 24 hours. Rates close 5.99. No appraisal, no docs. Minimum loan amount 100K. Non-owner occupied properties, right? Simple, right to the point. Sometimes basic works best. So yeah, hard money leads, about same thing, about $9, $10 a piece, unless you have more states. If you have like 5+ states, or you have a state with a large population, we're going to be looking more at like $5 to $7 for the hard money or investment property leads. All right, that's about all I have for today on the different ad campaigns. You can see here, just to show you how long I've been doing this with Brett, and we've spent over 70K, right? And remember, if you read the homepage on my website, you can see that I spent, in my first 3 months working at Geneva Financial, I spent about $14,500, and I generated, these are all the leads, see lead date, I tracked all of it because I wanted to get an exact return on ad spend. And I was able to generate a return on ad spend of 880%, right? So that means for every $1 that I put into Facebook marketing for myself, I earned back $8.80. Like, that is unheard of. You can see my pay deposits. I hit number 5 that month. Then I started hiring loan officers, so I stopped originating loans. Just started focusing on feeding them leads, right? You can see I'm a good salesperson. So the ultimate salesperson combined with the ultimate marketer at 𝐿MIB, what do you get? The best leads. Plus, I'm probably one of the only people in the country right now that can get refinance leads still. And that many cash out leads. Money in the bank. Hit me up if you want me to do it for you. 503-551-8690 is my cell. Or shoot me an email at steve@𝐿MIB.com. All right, guys. Talk to you later.